Hello, hello, hello. Welcome once again to another video. Today I'm going to have a look at Supercross on the Commodore 64 from 1986 by Systems Editoriale. So a little bit of motorbike racing game here. So I'm using an Xbox One controller and I accelerate by pushing upwards on my analog stick or D-pad. So this is more like a reaction game. You have to try to drive fast and avoid all the rocks. So there are like 3 laps and I have never finished the 3 laps, so don't think I will get there now either when I record. So I mean, so it looks like a budget game. So this is the same company that they made the game called Paris-Dakar, and it reminds me to that of some degree, but this looks better. Little bit better graphics. So I mean, I must say I cannot complain. It's very straightforward. But the graphics are decent, I must say. It can be frustrating because it don't have so much variation. It's just straightforward and bands and rocks. Paris-Dakar had more variation with camels in the road and cactuses and some weirdos just staying in the middle of the roads. This is more empty. Yeah, one don't have to go flat out all the time, so take a little bit easy and try to anticipate the bends, because there are signs along the way, but it's impossible to see the arrows on the signs, so it's just ridiculous actually. Why having signs if you cannot read them? Like that. It's impossible to see. So there was that game over. Yeah, couldn't make it. Gonna try one more time. Back to 0. Yeah, please comment if you have heard about this game or if you have played it in the comment section. Oops. Should try to do a little bit more safe ride here. Try not to crash, but I did it anyway. So perhaps it's easier to play with keys, I don't know, but I prefer a controller. So yeah, so it can be a little bit frustrating, I must say, but it's a decent little game to kill off a few minutes. I mean, the pace of it is good actually. So. Yeah, I'm screwing up a lot. Yeah, I'm crashing more this time actually, so. Come on. So there are automatic gears, so perhaps I said it before, but that's good, so I don't have to focus on that. And I don't have time to look at the backgrounds. Or the horizons or anything. Just keep my eyes on the road. Nothing more or nothing less. Oops. Yeah. Running out of time again. Yeah, I think I reached the same spot almost. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. Last try. It's a little bit frustrating that you have to finish in order to advance, because I want to see how the next stage is. If there is any, I don't know. Perhaps it just goes around and round and round and round. Ooh, crashing 2 times already. Come on. The band coming up. The right band, okay. No! There are no margins. That's, if there was a little bit wider, I could go faster actually, but this is a little bit too narrow to really enjoy it big time, so oops. Ay caramba. Oops. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, I have looked for a manual for this game just to see if there is any tips, any hints what to do. How many laps or stages there are. How many laps I know how many there are, but how many stages there are I don't know. Please comment if you know. So there you go, Supercross. I mean, it's a decent game, but nothing really special with it. So I'm just gonna give it a 5 out of 10 for this one. So there you go. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a good one. Goodbye.